Lights up. Strike 2 to Monarch. We're in. Activate tracking.
Roger that, Strike 2. Tracking activated. Good luck out there.
Over. Solid copy. Strike 2 out. Through here. Watch the edge. Careful.
Contact. Take him out. On your go. On me. Move into cover. Take him out!
Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over.
Hold up. Come on.
Let's go.
Thanks. Contact!
Strike 2, this is Monarch. Advance to extraction point B. Over.
You heard him. Come on! Take him out! Let's go right out of here! Give me the goddamn phone! Let's get out of here.
We've got company!
Keep on firing!
Shit! Chopper! More incoming!
Keep them off us! Hang on!
Fuck!
Keep on firing, goddammit!
Listen to me, Rue. Venice did not go down like that. Gilman is... They're trying to erase their involvement.
What involvement? What are you talking about?
They planned it all. I've dug around. I've connected the dots. I can see it now. Gilman was behind the whole thing.
So, the world's biggest private security contractor is, what? A front for the World Liberation Army. That is what you're telling me. We have been working for terrorists.
I need your help, Rue. You're the only one I can trust. They know I've been asking questions.
And the mission report, why did you sign it?
They made me when I got back to Tokyo. Lily. My daughter. They threatened to hurt her.
Have you spoken to anyone else about this bullshit? Because I think you'll need to... Wait, what the...